Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIAVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, we shall solve question number 12. Question number 12 will be your CW and SW also. My dear student, today is our lecture number 22 of annual term and today's SW number will be 21. So, let us start our class. Before starting our class, my dear students, open your math book at the page number 118 and follow question number 12. Question number 12 is written on the board already. So, I read the question. Please notice, of two numbers, the sum of thrice of the first and double of the second is 59. Again, the difference of the second number from double of the first is 9. Find the two numbers. My dear student, here you notice, find the two numbers. That means two numbers here unknown. So, two numbers. So, first of all we consider first number is x and second number is y. So, let first number equal to x and second number equal to y. I hope you have understood. Again, find the two numbers. As two numbers are unknown, for this reason we consider that two numbers are x and y. Now you notice, of the two numbers, the sum of thrice of the first and double of the second is 59. That means this is first condition. This is first condition. So, now write according to the first condition. According to the first condition, the sum of thrice of the first. Thrice of the first, what do you mean by thrice of the first? That means we multiply 3 with the first number. That means 3 multiply x and it will be 3x. Okay. Then which sign? Notice the sum. That means plus sign. Okay. And double of the second. Double of the second, that means 2 multiply second. That means 2 multiply y equal to twice y. Okay. After summation of 3x and 2y, we get 59. That means equal to 59. My dear student, this is equation number 1. I hope you have understood. So, our first condition is done. Next, we shall notice our second condition. Again, the difference of the second number from double of the first is 9. That means now we write according to the second condition. According to the second condition. Notice, the difference of the second number, that means second number y, from subtracted second number from double of the first number. What do you mean by first number? First number is x. Double means is x is multiplied with 2. That means 2 is twice x. So, we subtracted y from twice x and we get 9. So, this is equation number 2. I hope you have understood these two conditions. How to build up these two conditions. Our first condition is 3x plus twice y equal to 59 and our second condition is twice x minus y equal to 9. I hope you have understood. Now, we shall solve these two equations and we get the value of x and y, that means two number. How can we solve these two equation? We use here substitution method or elimination method. You can use any of them, but here I use elimination method because it seems so easy than substitution method. Okay, I hope you have understood. Here you notice 3x plus twice y. Here you notice twice x minus y equal to 9. In elimination method, we make the terms y or x equal. Here twice y, here y. So we make the y term equal. Here twice y, here y. But if we multiply this equation by 1, then we get twice y. If we multiply this equation by 2, then we get twice y. That means plus twice y minus twice y. If we add these two equation, then we get twice y vanish, and we get the term of x. That means if we solve this term, then we get the value of x. After that, we put the value of x in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Then we get the value of equation number, then we get the value of y. So my dear student, now we use elimination method. So first we multiply equation number 1 by 1 and equation number 2 by 2 and add, then we get what? Multiply equation 1 by 1 and multiplying equation 2 by 2 and add. Notice here, if we multiply this 3x by 1, then 3x. If we multiply twice y by y, then twice y. If we multiply 59 multiply 1, then we get 59. That means thrice x plus twice y equal to 59. So first equation done. Then we multiply second equation by 2. That means we multiply twice x by 2 and we get 4x. Write 4x here. After that, minus sign. If we multiply this y by 2, then we get minus twice y. Okay, an equal sign. After that, we multiply 9 by 2 and we get 9 2s are 18. Here you notice we add now. Okay, notice plus twice y minus twice y. So this twice y are cut and left thrice x plus 4x, and it will be 7x equal to 8 and 9. It will be 7. 5 and 8 and 9, it will be 17, carrying 1. 5 on 6 and on 7. I hope you have understood. Now we solve x. As 7 is multiplied here, if we transfer its position to the right side, then 77 by 7. Now we cut 77 by 7. If we cut, then we get 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7. That means we get 11. So x equal to 11. My dear student, we get the value of x 11. This is the first number. Now we get the value of y. How can we put the value of x in equation number 1 or 2? Here I put the value of x in equation number 1. Putting the value of x in equation 1. Okay. 3 into x, that means 3 into 11 plus twice y equal to 59. Notice 3 multiply y, that means 33. 3 multiply 11. 3 multiply 11, that means 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Then twice y equal to 59. Now twice y equal to 59 minus 33. If we subtract, that means 3 subtract 3 from 9 and we get 6. We subtract 3 from 5, we get 2. Now these 2 is transferred to the right hand side and it will be divide. That means if we divide 26 by 2 and we get 13, that means y equal to 13. My dear students, we get the value y equal to 13. So I hope you have understood this is the value of x. X is 11 and y is 13. Okay. So my dear student, these are two numbers. So now we write answer 11 and 13. My dear students, you can easily check your answer is right or wrong. Now we shall learn how to check. My dear student, we put the value of x and y in any of the equation. Then if we get the value of the right side, then our answer is right. Just like thrice x plus twice y equal to 59. That means 59 is fixed. We put the value of x and y. If we get 59, then our answer is right. That means here you notice thrice x plus twice y. That means what is the value of x? 11 plus 2 into what is the value of y? 13 equal to 59. Notice 11 3s are 33 plus 13 2s are 26 equal to 59. 3 6 9 2 3 59. That means 59 equal to 59. So our answer is correct. My dear students, need not to do it in our calculation. For your better understand, I solve here. Okay, I hope you have understood. So this is our today's lecture. This is your CW and this is your SW also. This is your SW also. My dear students, you must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm and collect it after completing on week and collect it next Sunday. Your copy is checked properly by your subject teacher. So my dear students, today's lecture is finished. If you have any question or queries about my lecture, please make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.